Burnham here, Preacher Man R&B, and this is another episode of Retro Entertainment. This time I'm doing an episode of Power Ranger Reviews. This time reading Power Rangers Season 3, Episode 21. What happens on this week's episode is Tommy goes to try to save Kimberly. And at first, Tommy agreed to Lord Zed that they would pilot the Shogun Zords for Lord Zed and work for him. But it was all a ruse. That way Tommy could get close to Kimberly. Tommy's able to save Kimberly from Lord Zed, but she still doesn't have her powers, and the rest of the Rangers had to share their powers with her so that way she can morph. And she has to share a Zord with Tommy for the time being. So to see what happens with that. Kat still has her power coin, so we have to see what happens with that. But other than that, that's all that really happened. My question for y'all is, now that Kimberly has been saved, what's going to happen with that? As always, Rob Burnham, make here Preacher Man R&B signing out. Guys, GG's awesome. This has been an episode of Richard Lang Thomas. See y'all next time.